see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather click ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow.
Good morning, Mayon. Ang ganda ng Mayon today kasi hindi siya natatakpan ng ulap. Mayroong konti pero oh my God, ang ganda. Lalo na sa personal. Time is 8:13. Tulog pa si Holly. Tsaka si Ate Shania. Ganda ng aking view. Pagising ko lang din. And magte-transfer lang ako dito sa laptop kasi puno na ang ating SD card. Meron na akong 20 minutes. May ganap kami mamaya. Magte-transfer ako dito. But yeah, ang ganda ng Mayon. Buksan natin ito para pumasok na ang fresh air. Oh, good morning! Mayroon pa rin putok, kagabi pa yan. Hindi pa nga New Year, mayroon ng mga sisimula ng paputok. Ayan. Good morning. Mayroong malakas na paputok, di ko alam kung narinig niya. Oh, narinig niya. Diba, ang head ko ay hinahangin. At yung Mayon, wow, so pretty ang Mayon. Good morning, Mayon. Mag-ayos ako kasi may gagawin pala ako. Mag-transfer muna ako na ang mga clips. O, narinig yung paputok. Okay, transfer. Ay, ang ganda ng, parang dalawang Mayon. Isa lang, pero mayroon dong isa ako nakikita. Hindi ko kung makikita nyo. Ay, yung katabi niya, oh, yung mini. Ayan. O, diba? Parang dalawa sila. Ayan yung mother. Ayan yung baby. Ang ganda! Nakaligo na pala tayo. And si Ollie at si Ate Shai niya, kabababa lang nila. Mga 10 minutes ago. Anong oras na? Alauna na ata or 12. Patutuyin ko ba itong buhok ko? Iba-blower natin ito. Ayan yung dalawa. Ayan yung dalawa. Kasi pa maliligo na. Hintayin niya lang matapos. Ito yung aming pagkain today. Anong oras na ba? 11:53 pa lang. Ayan. So, may tortang talong. Yan yung ginataang natural na manok. Pansit tsaka corned beef. May fried rice pa. Almusal dapat to pero walang kumain. So, diretsong lunch na yan. May pa Cloud9. Sige, mag-ano na ako dun. Hoy, are you hungry? Kain na kayo? What do you mean a little? We're going to Tabaco later. O, tapusin ko lang yung pagbalot. Then, kain na nga muna ako. It's red na bag mo.
Kaya nga pula.
Oo.
Yung kaya sa
Cabinet? Kasi magbabalot tayo ng mga ipamimigay ni Holly doon sa Tabaco. Hinintay ko siya. Late naman siya nagising. And kausap ko rin si yan, ganyan. Ayun na lang yung nasa taas.
Baka di mo na ako. Baka may ginabat ko basta.
Dito natin ilalagay. Ayan.
Tapos muna dito kami.
Ano yan?
Ay,
no, kay Holly yan. Shirataki rice. Yung Mayon may may clouds na. Kain tayo guys. Nag-init akong pansit. Tsaka yung manok. And si Papa gumawa ng sukang maanghang. Kagabi sumama na si Papa. Pinasama ko kasi wala kami kasama dito. Kami-kami na lang. Kasi ako dito ka na pat. Dahil ang init. Yung dalawa ayaw pang kumain. So kain tayo guys. Meron tayong tortang talong. Ay, lapit ko kayo layo niya. Yan, tortang talong. Itong namiss kong pansit. Ganitong pansit. Yung tigpa 5 pesos nung high school kami. Or elementary. Kahit walang masyadong sob ang lasa niya. Pag nabibili mo sa mga tinda-tindahan. Ito dala ni Papa. May dala siyang gulay. Kagabi. Mamamalengke din kami sa tabako ng mga isda. Sana mayroon pa. Kausap ko rin yung friend ko, yung childhood friend ko. Sabi niyang busy-busy rin ng tabako. Holly, you're not hungry yet?
No, not yet.
We're going to tobacco, Baba. Sarap ng chicken. Sinusubukan ko pala si Holly. Ayan yung rice na bawasan kong konti. Tapos si Holly yun din ang kinakain niya. Pinoy na Pinoy, pansit tsaka kanin lang. Di ba tayo? Sarap na ng pansit. Lalo ang pansit bato. Sarap na ng pansit bato. Gusto ko sana ito magdala. Kaso, ang minumori ko, baka mag-book ba? Ano ba book? Kasi bawal sa Australia yung mga ganun. Mabusisi sila sa mga ganito. Chinese rice?
Ayan.
No, there's one more.
Done.
Last one. There's, you see, don't waste this one. Ito yung mga binili ko sa TikTok. Ito guys. Pastillas na langka. Nakain ko na yung isa. Masarap siya. Wala din. Na. Yan lang sa kusina.
Ay, ito? Ay, iba man yan.
Nagkaon na si Wilson?
Iya.
Paluson. Binili ko to sa nilagay ko sa TikTok.
Lip liner.
Yeah, lip liner siya. Basta yan siya. You there?
Mama, are we gonna hand it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the bag. Nakita ko lang. Kumuha ko ng isa, pero parang yung kanyang kulay is doon dapat sa kabila. Ay, yung mga kulay niya, parang siyang pencil lang na pang kulay. Pang ano ba? Homework ni Holly. Ayan, wala, binili ko lang. Ang dami niya. Ilang bang piraso to? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 shades. Pero yung gusto ko ipakita talaga sa inyo ay eto. Yung wow. Yung color wow. Kasi nga, di ba, nagpaayos tayong buhok. Ito yung 1 minute transformation styling cream. Yan. Ito, meron ako nito sa bahay. Hindi ko dinala. Yung wow, dream coat. So, parang ito siya. Kahit mabasa yung buhok mo sa ulan, hindi siya yung parang sealed siya. Ganon. So, yan. Tapos, bumili ako nito. Ano yun, ma? Ano yun? Yung kay Sandro. Yung mga damit niya, pinapadala niya sa lola niya. Eto ba yung rollers? Kasi sabi nung Koreana, mag-rollers daw ako dito sa etong curtain natin, yung bangs. Pag ganon. Yan yung sabi niya sa akin. Tapos, meron din tayong malaki. Ano ito ba? Ayan, basta yan. So, yan yung ating nabili sa TikTok. I-blower ko kasi siya. So, gamitin na natin. Naglagay na ko yung heat protection. Sana hindi to fake, no? Mahal din to. Parang 2,000 din. Mas mahal yung sa Australia, yung sa Sephora. Yeah, binili ko na siya para meron tayo extra. Mas mahal yung nabili natin sa sa Australia, yung ganito. $98. So, eto. Nasa 2,000 lang yata to. Pero bakit ang spray niya parang hindi siya yung wasak? Ito ko na lang Okay, kasi blower natin. Ayan, tapos ko nang i-blower yung buhok ko. Ngayon, Holly, can you get that red bags, please? Oh my God, this is so heavy pala. Yes, come on, help me here. We're gonna help each other. You sit here. We're gonna start packing na, guys. Magbalot na. Ipapamigay sa mga bata. So, are you ready to distribute this one?
Yes. I'm so excited.
Together.
But we have to ask them if they're allergic to anything.
I don't think so. I'm not sure. We'll ask. Kasi doon sa Australia, hindi ka pwede basta-basta magbigay ng food kasi maraming batang allergic sa mga nuts. Dapat nung 27 or 20 after Christmas so wala.
This has peanut.
Yeah, this one has peanut.
So we actually do have to ask.
Alright, you ask. Okay, kids, are you allergic to anything like peanuts?
If they don't understand it clearly, you have to tell them.
I think they will understand this. They know how to understand English.
These are the nips. I'm going to tell them what we have. Nips, a fudge bar. They'll just take it. We call that Kit Kats.
This is take it.
But we call them Kit Kats.
So we don't have to remove it from the box.
Yeah. Dad loves these.
Huh?
Dad loves the fudge bars.
The fudge.
Yeah, he loves these.
Oh.
We got
wow.
more.
Yeah, I love this one. I think we're gonna bring some of this in.
I don't think I've tried this.
I love this.
I've never tried. If there's a leftover, I'm gonna have one.
Ito.
Pokey.
Pokey.
I used to always love them, Mom.
Okay.
But you need to be careful, Mom.
Oh, the food cheese.
My favorite. Can I have one? Mentos.
Goya. Bakit dark ang nakuha natin? Magustuhan kaya nila to.
I feel like I like dark chocolate.
Oh, there's milk chocolate.
I like white chocolate.
Ito yung milk. Ayan. Milk.
That's the normal one, Mom.
Yeah. Okay. We'll start. I think we have more here.
The white mix.
We have another one here. Okay, we'll start now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the airplane. Okay. So, meron kami iba-ibang flavor na juices.
Mama, we can just put them through to see.
Okay. Ayan, may apple, may mango, may orange. Ganito yung binili namin.
Can I start putting it in?
Yeah. Put one each. Okay.
Yeah.
Fudge.
One of these.
Yeah, one of that. One of these.
Do I give them one of each of these?
I don't know how many pieces. Maybe just, I'm not sure. How many pieces? If it's 50 pieces, yes, we can. But if it's not, how many pieces ba? Doesn't say. Just put one more.
Can I count?
Just put one more. For now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 10, 15, 20. No. I think one of them. Okay.
One Mentos or a couple?
A couple. Like 3. 3 and then 3 pots.
I'm gonna give them
Because
one of each.
you have to distribute evenly, Baba. You got nips?
No.
Okay. Is this enough? Did you have the other one?
I got this.
This?
These. 3 of these.
Okay, 3.
Mom, you touched that.
Okay, ayan. Para sa mga kalaro niya.
First bag done. A big.
Put it
Mama,
in.
Pokey.
Okay.
Be gentle.
Okay.
And
Put
then
it here.
I'm just gonna seal it.
It's alright. Just
Next bag.
put the juice. Ito siya guys. Nandito yung box.
Juice.
Ayan. Ayan yung box.
Hey, Mom, did you put the take it in the other bag?
I think so.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And take it.
I'll take it.
This one has juice, yes. Okay.
Next one. Okay, we need juice. Some of this. Which cheese? Some chocolate. 1, 2, 3 of Mentos. And 1, 2, 3 of the cookies. I need the cookies. And this fudge bar. And that. I gotta get that, guys. I'm gonna stand there. Mom, what's coconut?
Coconut. It's a coconut. Okay, hurry up because we have to go soon.
Take it.
Do they have Goya? No.
No, I do.
No. I don't.
Yeah.
What else?
I think that's everything I put in. You have to put some bags in as well, Mom. I got 2.
Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip.
So, tapos na kami magbalot. Mga 50 pieces din na bags. Ayan. Yung iba, naubusan. So, dinagdagan na lang namin ng iba. Susulatan niya raw. From na lang kasi hindi natin alam yung pangalan.
Thank you.
Okay, just from because we don't know them. So, just say Merry Christmas or Happy New Year na lang. Ha? Ah, okay. Lagay.
Can I just write Merry Christmas?
Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels.
This is how much I've done so far. Oh, big pile and it's so thick. I just done 2 because I don't know their name. I forgot them. From me, from Holly. And that's a lot. Like, look at that. And then I just got a couple more to do. I'm just gonna add these two to the these three to the pile, and I just gotta do this much more, and then I gotta put them into the bag. Let's get this done. I got a mango since there was leftovers. Back to writing. Ah.
Nagdagan namin ito kasi meron pang mga tira. Nagpabili pa kasi ako sa kapatid ko. Ayan, para nagdagan na lang natin. Kasi wala namang kakain ito. Kaya nagdagan na lang. Tapos ito. Baba, give me. Ito lang makain. Masarap to. Akin na baba.
I'm putting them on my side.
Okay.
It's like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. It feels like that.
I think so. Oh,
Okay.
three, it's alright.
After that, you put in the box. Okay.
Ilagay ko. One more. You need one more?
No, I need 2.
So, okay. Ayan na lahat. Nasa 50 din. And yung laman, hindi pare-pareho yung iba. Ay. Eto, ganito yung laman niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang, baba. Ayan yung laman. And yung isa. Ito yung laman ng isang bag. Merong take it. And eto, wala siyang take it. Pero dinamihan na lang namin ng eto, masarap to si Cal cheese. So, yan. So, yun lang naman yung difference.
You gave them that one 2 of these.
Yeah, because the other one has no take it. This one got more Cal cheese. Mas gusto ko itong makuha ko. Ako papapiliin. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you like this little gift I gave you. Enjoy.
Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer.
Merry Christmas, everybody. I think I love the hate. Oh, you should come again. Oh, you had nothing to say. You left my heart again. And you know it. How did I know it? This feels really light. Okay, that is a box. Big box. Ow. And the last two. Done. It's
Done?
yeah.
Mayon. Ayan yung mayon. The volcano is hiding, Baba. The volcano is hiding.
Mom, can I show you the TikTok I did?
Hmm?
Can I show you the TikTok I did?
What did you do?
This one.
Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy.